Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery design ideas. Guys, today's embroidery pattern is borderline embroidery or embroidery borders. These are very beautiful, creative and unique embroidery borders. And the beauty and creativity of this video is that all of these embroidery borders are specifically used for designing white color dresses. Even you can also design different type of light tone fabrics as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share your comments in the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our latest and upcoming videos. Guys, now let's move back towards our main concern. As you could see that all of them are very beautiful, colorful, uh, multicolor threaded base and embroidery patterns, and different type of threads have been used. Simple, plain, anchor or DMC for matte look have been used, and for shiny look, silky threads have been used. So I would recommend you to use the thread as per your choice. And for making it more formal, you can make use of beads, pearls, and even you can make use of sequins. Now let's talk about the embroidery stitches. For filling the flower centers, you can make use of French knot. For making mini flowers, you can make use of lazy daisy stitch. For mini leaves, you can make use of fly stitch. And for making big leaves, you can make use of satin stitch or forward stitch. So these are some few recommendations from my side. You can also use the embroidery stitch as per your own choice as well. For filling the dots, use French knots, and for filling mini flowers, you can also make use of wheel knot stitch, a simple type of knotted stitch. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new upcoming videos.